The Arctic is one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. With temperatures regularly dropping below 50 degrees Celsius, it seems like nothing could possibly live there. But you'd be wrong. From polar bears to penguins, lots of animals have found ways to survive in this frozen wasteland. And some of them have even thrived. So get ready to learn all about the amazing animals that live in the Arctic. Did you know that a group of male emperor penguins can gather around a female penguin in order to mate with her turn by turn? That's right. These birds are known for their bizarre mating rituals, but this particular behavior is definitely the weirdest of them all. What's even weirder is that the female penguin doesn't seem to mind at all. In fact, she seems to enjoy it. After all, she's getting the ultimate special treatment from all of these males. Emperor penguins aren't the only animals that do something like this. Other species such as the Adelie penguin and the Gentoo penguin also engage in group mating. This may seem strange to us humans, but it's just another example of how amazing and adaptable life on Earth can be. When you think of the Arctic, you probably imagine snow, ice, and maybe a polar bear or two. But did you know that there's a whole other world beneath the surface of the Arctic Ocean? It's a world full of amazing creatures that have adapted to living in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. One of the most surprising things about Arctic marine life is the sheer number of species that live there. There are over 5,000 known species in the Arctic Ocean, including whales, seals, dolphins, fish, and even sharks. And we're still discovering new species all the time. Just recently, scientists discovered a new species of whale in the Arctic Ocean. They named it the Arctic xerafin whale after the mythical creature from Greek mythology. The xerafin whale is a member of the beaked whale family and is found in deep waters all over the Arctic. It's about 40 feet long and weighs up to 20 tons. Despite its huge size, the xerafin whale is very elusive and little is known about its behavior. But scientists believe that it feeds on fish and squid. The discovery of the xerafin whale is just one example of the amazing biodiversity that exists in the Arctic Ocean. There are so many amazing creatures living in this environment that we've barely scratched the surface. One of the most famous residents of the Arctic is, of course, the polar bear. Polar bears are the world's largest land predator and are perfectly adapted for life in the Arctic. They have thick fur coats and a layer of blubber that keeps them warm in sub-zero temperatures. Polar bears are also excellent swimmers and can travel up to 6 miles per hour in the water. They use their powerful paws to paddle themselves along, and their large claws help them grip the ice. Another amazing creature that calls the Arctic home is the walrus. Walruses are large, noisy mammals that can weigh up to 3,700 pounds. They have thick skin and a thick layer of blubber that protects them from the cold. Walruses spend most of their time in the water, but they come on land to rest and give birth. They're not the most graceful animals on land, but they're definitely a sight to behold. If you thought that was interesting, wait until you hear about the Arctic cod. Arctic cod are small fish that play an important role in the Arctic ecosystem. They're a major food source for many animals, including polar bears, seals, and whales. Arctic cod are also known for their strange mating behavior. The males create bubble nests and perform elaborate courtship displays to attract a mate. Now it's time for some rapid-fire Arctic facts. Let's see how many you already know. A narwhal is a whale with a single long tusk that can grow up to 10 feet long. Beluga whales are nicknamed the canaries of the sea because of their wide range of vocalizations. An orca is the largest member of the dolphin family and is known for its intelligence and social complexity. Ringed seals have distinctive dark rings around their eyes. Bearded seals have long flowing whiskers that they use to sense vibrations in the water. We've covered a lot of ground here, but there's still so much more to learn about the Arctic. There are so many amazing animals that call this environment home, and we've barely scratched the surface. So keep exploring, and you never know what you might discover. It's hard to imagine a place more inhospitable than the Arctic, but if you thought that would stop nature from thriving, you'd be wrong. From the adorable Arctic fox to the mighty polar bear, these animals have shown us that with the right adaptations, anything is possible. Now it's your turn. Which animal impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.